Hi everybody. Welcome my channel. Are you looking for the best budget 4K mirror dashcams? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best budget 4K mirror dashcams for car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range.
Our top 1.
P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam, your new roadside sidekick. If you're looking for a smart, all-seeing assistant while driving, the P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam is here to impress. This sleek 12-inch rear-view mirror camera is more than just a pretty face, it's packed with tech to keep you safe and informed. With 4K resolution at the front and 2160p rear camera, you won't miss a single detail on the road, or any funny bumper stickers. The cam also has night vision, so it's like having superhero eyes for driving in the dark. Need hands-free control? The voice command feature lets you navigate, record, or snap pics just by talking. And if you're worried about parking dings, the parking monitoring has got you covered. The built-in ADAS and BSD systems will keep you in check with lane departure warnings and blind spot detection. Oh, and it comes with a 32GB memory card, because what's a camera without storage?
Our top 2.
Wolfbox G840S, the ultimate 4K mirror dashcam for smart drivers. Need a 4K upgrade for your ride? The Wolfbox G840S is your ticket to smarter, safer driving. This 12-inch mirror dashcam is not just for looks, it packs a serious punch with 2160p Full HD cameras at both the front and rear, turning your ordinary rearview mirror into a tech-loaded command center. Got nighttime driving on your agenda? No worries. The night vision ensures that you'll see everything, even in the darkest parking lots. And when you're trying to squeeze into a tight spot, the parking assistance feature comes to the rescue. It's like having a second set of eyes, without the awkward backseat driving. Plus, it comes with a 32GB card and GPS built in, so you can record your trips and even keep track of where you've been. No more getting lost and blaming the GPS. Drive smarter, park easier, and stay protected with Wolfbox G840S.
Our top 3.
Wolfbox 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera, the smart dashcam you didn't know you needed. Ready to make your car feel like it's from the future? The Wolfbox 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera is here to level up your driving experience. This isn't just your ordinary mirror, it's a 4K dashcam with a full touchscreen, so you can swipe, tap, and control your view like you're using a smartphone. The front 4K camera captures every detail ahead, while the 1080p rear camera keeps an eye on what's happening behind you. Plus, with WDR, wide dynamic range, and night vision, your videos will stay crystal clear, whether you're driving in broad daylight or pitch black darkness. Parking tight? No problem. The backup camera and parking assist make those tricky spots feel like a breeze. And don't worry about storage, it comes with a 64GB card and GPS to record and track your routes. Smart, sleek, and seriously high-tech, get ready for a smoother ride with Wolfbox.
Our top 4.
4K rear-view mirror camera, your car's new best friend. Say hello to the 4K rear-view mirror camera, the perfect way to upgrade your car's tech without getting a degree in rocket science. This 10-inch mirror dashcam gives you a sharp 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, so your drive is recorded in crystal clear detail, no more blurry license plates or mystery objects. The best part? It's got voice control, so you can focus on the road while the cam does the hard work. Just tell it what to do, and it's on it, no need to lift a finger. With night vision and 24-hour parking mode, this camera watches out for you, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked overnight. Plus, it comes with a 32GB SD card included, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. Drive smart, park safe, and let this dashcam keep an eye out for you.
Our top 5.
ASDOM PG17 4K 12-inch mirror dashcam, the ultimate co-pilot for your drive. Meet the ASDOM PG17 4K 12-inch mirror dashcam, the gadget that's ready to turn your car into a smart driving machine. With a massive 12-inch screen and a crystal-clear 4K front camera, you'll capture every detail on the road ahead. And don't worry about what's behind you, the 1080p waterproof rear camera has you covered, rain or shine. This dash cam is packed with tech goodies, including Wi-Fi for easy video transfers and a built-in 64GB card so you don't have to worry about running out of space. The GPS tracks your driving route, while WDR night vision ensures clear footage, even in the darkest conditions. Feel like taking it easy? Use the voice control to command your camera without lifting a finger, and the driving assistant is there to make sure you stay on track.